Hi, with my first service done for about 800 kilometers, I thought I would take my Honda Elevate for a quick drive today and have an update on the noise level, what you hear within city and as well as on the highway, and also checking on the mileage within city and the highway. Hope this video helps. So what I have here is trying to reset the trip A and trip B kilometers. And what I would do is trip A would have the overall kilometers done and the mileage in on a final drive, where trip B would contain city specific and the highway specific kilometers done and the mileage looked into. So I would be trying to reset the
So
trip
here
B
we have we are
intermediately.
starting with our city drive. Uh, I have got an external mic attached to the phone basically. So what you can hear is the noise level with the external mic, and later you can also listen to the noise level without the mic. That is with the phone's default mic while I'm on the city.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಾ? Just trying to take in the city.
So, as you can see over here, we had a short ride within the city. I think about uh, 4 kilometers, and as you see, the mileage is 9.6. So, what we are going to do now is reset the trip B and try and capture the highway distance done and the mileage of the highway, while trip A continues to capture the overall drive kilometers and its mileage. Okay, now what you see is that we are taking the highway. While we are on highway, I have an external mic attached to my mobile, which is capturing the cabin noise. So post this, I would you would also look without the external mic, noise level capture in the cabin while on highway. Just want to show that I'm at a speed of 76. The moment I hit a speed of 80, uh, alarm goes off that I am above 80, and I'm told that Honda kind of gives you continuous beep once you hit 120 speed. But then I'm not really testing for the speed. It's just the mileage test and the cabin noise level experience over here. Well, looking at the conditions, I think this is more of a city ride than the highway. But then, yes, it's not a stoppage of vehicles, and there is a continuous movement. So, yeah. Okay, now we are on our come back home on the highway. So the cabin noise, what you hear, is captured by the phone mic, where previously you saw it was from an external mic attached to the phone. So I don't know if it makes quite a huge difference, but yes, this is just for the comparison. So you can hear out the noise in the cabin via the phone mic.
Okay, just to give you an overview, you can see the total mileage what I've got is 18.3 for 30 kilometers highway ride.
And now what you hear is, yeah, the inside city cabin noise, while it is the mobile's inbuilt mic which is capturing the cabin noise.
Back into the traffic. driven around is 37.7, and we have got an average of 15.8 kilometers. I think there was a short drive in inside the city, and the majority being on the highway. So the highway was approximately 31 kilometers among this 37. So here you go. This is what the realistic mileage you could make out with Honda Elevate.
Thank you for watching. As always, if you would like to know something on Honda Elevate, the ride experience or the owner experience, please comment upon, and I'll try and make videos related to those questions. Thank you.